Hey everyone, I'm Noah and this is a small video announcing the start of the very first Blackthornprod game jam. This jam will run for one whole week, so from October 13th, 2018 at 12 PM French time to the 20th of October 2018, 12 PM French time. So quick reminder for those who don't know, a game jam is an event where developers are challenged to make a game in a limited amount of time, in this case 7 days. And around a given theme. If the theme was cats, for example, you'd have to make a game somehow related to cats, be that from a story, art, or gameplay point of view. And so here comes the moment you have all been waiting for. The theme of this jam is game development. Create a game about the game creation world. How about an RPG where the classes you play are viciously smart programmers or fascinating artists? Or why don't you make something that tries to express why you love creating games, or pay homage to what got you into game dev in the first place? Perhaps a shooter where you're keeping red, nasty programming bugs at bay. Or how about you make a game that enables players to make their own little game? You can make something about the mental challenges of game development, how hard it can sometimes be to get motivated, creative block, self-doubt. Or make something based on your struggle at learning a certain game dev skill like drawing, programming, designing. Why not make a fighting game where some of your favorite game developers battle each other using strange programming, art, design, and music powers, like the Public Void Punch or the Inky Stab? Heck, you can even make a little game that teaches others in a fun way how to make games. So as you can see, there's loads of stuff you can potentially make based on this game development theme. Now, the idea stage, for me anyway, is an extremely tricky part of the game jam process. My advice is that you relax and try making a game you think will be fun to make. Don't stress about what others will say about your creation. Just have a good time and try new things. Also keep in mind that 1 week is a lot of time. So if you don't find any game idea on the first day or even days, know that it is not too late. Twice I was able to make a complete game for a game jam in under 1 day. I've also practiced doing so in a couple hours. So don't give up. Try your very best to come up with something and submit it before the deadline over on itch.io. Now remember to keep your ideas simple. Don't think about making a multiplayer MMO. Think of something small, make that, and if you have time, polish your creation. Make that one mechanic feel great, that one level ingenious and fun. Quality is a lot more important than quantity. With that said, whether you have or have not made a game before, this is your chance to create something. This is your chance to have fun, improve as a developer, and test crazy new ideas. Now, don't forget once the jam ended to play and rate some of the other games made during the event. Only developers having made a game during the jam will be able to rate games, and once the rating period over, which by the way lasts 2 whole weeks after the end of the actual jam, I'll make a video on my channel featuring the top 10 games of the jam. Also note that I'll be playing, rating, and commenting on each and every game submitted during this jam. There will also be a Twitch streamer called Your Brother that'll be playing your games, so make sure to follow him on Twitch so you don't miss his feedback. Lastly, consider joining the BTP Discord server so you can share your progress with the rest of the community. You can also share your progress on Twitter using the hashtag BTPGameJam. Now, if you don't understand something about the game jam, don't hesitate to ask me a question via the Discord server or in the comment section down below. Okay, that's all I have to say for this small video. Best of luck to all devs out there ready to take part in the jam. I can hardly wait to see what you all come up with.